Give them, return the favor. Give them the shoulder massage. Come on. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Happy days are here again. Our celebrant and maybe her hubby before you all leave, okay? One still quiet. I just want to apologize. We got a lot of requests for songs, but because of time, we were not able to play it. But ladies and gentlemen, maybe there's another party coming. We'll play it by that time. Thank you very much. Okay, Ate Zeni.
Thank you all. Like I said, thank you family, friends, the kumares and kumpares, you know, my inaanak sa Jenalyn. Thank you for performing, you know. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. So I hope to see you all again 10 years from now, hopefully. On my 80th. So again, I really do appreciate your coming here to celebrate it with me. I'm really very happy. This is an amazing and awesome experience for me. So I love you all, guys. You take care. I love you all. So you take care. You remember, you guys are all my BFFs.
Yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Celso. Thank you, Emil.
Salamat po.
And thank you, Sandilo. Where is she?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have 5 minutes. If you can just ask everybody, yung mga narito pa, let's go ahead and form up over here. We'll have one more group picture before we leave. Can we do that? And as we do that, let's go ahead and, ladies and gentlemen, the only reason we're all here because of this lady, Zeni Ocampo, as she celebrates her 70th birthday. One more time for her, everybody! Hey! Happy birthday to you. Everybody, put some pictures, please. Hey, hey!